All right, hi America, Irvin Randall, Classic Lawton Chevrolet. Today we're going to be interviewing Tay. Tay is one of our top salesmen here, and we want to just find out so you'll understand a little bit about how we do business, who we are, and what we are. So, ladies and gentlemen, Tay. Tay, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm from here, Lawton, Oklahoma.
So you're a hometown guy?
Yeah, for sure, for
all
sure.
right.
Lived here pretty much all my life. Around 2013, moved to San Antonio.
Uh-huh.
Lived there till about 2017. Walked through these doors at the end of 17 and been here ever since.
Well, welcome back to the great LA, Latin America.
Yes, sir.
Hey, now, you've been with us how long now?
Almost 4 years in December.
4 years. Oh, wow, that's 4 years. That's a pretty long time.
It is.
So you've been 4 years. Tell us how you handle and how you understand how we do business.
Well, I can tell you that this dealership is, I haven't been at many or anything like that, but this is a very different feel, very family feel here. Great owner like yourself.
Oh, man,
working with somebody like you makes it pretty easy for somebody like me.
Well, I appreciate hearing that. One of the things I was going to say, tell me about our relaxed atmosphere.
Very relaxed, come in, do your job, obviously, sell you some cars, and everyone gives you that family feel when you walk through the doors. It's good morning, you know, how you been and everything, how was your weekend and everything. Very relaxed, do your job, and you can do some really good things in this building.
There you go, America. You heard it right here from Tay. Here at Classic Lawton Chevrolet, you can kick back, relax, and enjoy the difference. Come see us soon. Thank you, Tay.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Where did Latin America come from? I like
Oh, you like my LA? That's my new thing. That's my new LA. This is a new LA.
Introduce the word LA and tell me where it came from and why.
I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm calling Lawton for short LA. It's Latin America. I mean, we're right centrally in a part of America, and I think one of the things that we need to understand is that we have Fort Sill and we have Lawton. Those two are together. So we're in the middle of Latin America. So I've decided that as I go along in sayings, rather than just controlling the whole thing, I'm just gonna say LA. We're here in Latin America. Come see us.